Okay, so next we'll know how to create a table through your Java program. Even you can write drop, alter, create, all these statement you can write now. So it's very simple. Already we have done this three example in JDBC. Let us create again new class, and here you say JDBC example for create. Okay, create, have a main method, finish it. So this code is ready. Now I just go to here and I'll copy this part now. So if you can see, we are just saying import. This is not required because we are not going to take any input here. Or if you want, you can write whatever the create statement you are passed, that will get created. So let us try the same thing here. We'll do what, or any of this option you can try. What I do, I just write here one string. This code is not good. Say your string str equal to, I'll just write one statement here itself. What create table. uh, I just you want to see this table first here. I can say show tables. It will show you all the tables now. So there is only one table in my database currently in IsaacDB database. So create table. What table will create now? Let us say I create one table here, customer. Okay, customer, and then in that customer I have a CID which is integer, customer name I have a C name which is a varchar, right, varchar 20, and then I'll say city is again varchar, say 20. This is my statement. Okay, so whole statement, creative statement I have written here in STL. Okay, now we are loading driver, we are doing connections, and then we'll fire again a query statement st equal to con dot create statement, right? Just import this statement again. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So I just used the loading drivers from the previous example, and this is connecting to the server. So this is my URL, this is my username, password. Okay, come back to here now, and I say st dot execute. So I will not use execute query, execute update. You can use execute update. So I just writing execute here, and I'll say str. So this execute will return true or false. So boolean b equal to. Now I can take decision here that just there is a mistake in my create statement. Okay, now I can say here if b equal to true, then give a message. What message? Table has been created, table has been created, right? Created. Else I can write one message again here. Table already exists. Okay. Let us try this code. If where is the error? Can you find just? This is right. So I think I have to close one more here. It's gone, right? So this is the end of main, right? Here we are executing str, so it will help you to create a table, right? Now I just say here right click, save it this first now, and I just say right click, run as Java application. You can get the message here, table already exists. Why this message saying no? We'll check whether table has been created or not. So it is saying customer table is right. It has been created here. So we can say describe customer, right? So look at here, CID, CNAME and CT all, it has been created. If you try again, it will say, if you can look this code, it is saying table customer already exists, right? Some exception has been generated. So because this table is already there, so it is not executing. Okay. Now, so you understood how to create a table here. The whole code I have written here in the string format. This you can take input from the user and you can pass it here, the table will be created. Okay. Next example, we have to understand how to call store procedure in our program. Okay. So we are having for store procedure in MySQL, how we can call to Java programs. So there's one method we are having, prepare call. But before using this prepare call method, or I just say here right click, first of all new class, and I just write here what, JDBC example for procedure. You are calling procedure now, so main method is again here. Same connections and all we have to do here. Okay. So I'm not doing again, just selecting and then copying here. Okay. Now here what we'll use. So there's one interface callable statement. You just import it. Okay. And then st equal to, say I just give a name here, callable statement cs equal to con dot what, not create a statement. You have to say prepare call, prepare call. Inside that you can pass the statement how we call the procedure in store procedure. There is a, in MySQL I say it is a call. Let us say I have a procedure name so emp. Okay, I'll create one procedure and procedure name is the so emp or so emp details, right? This you should put in a curly braces. Okay, so I have to say call so emp details, but we have to make this procedure first, right? So what we'll do, we'll go to here. My delimiter is now slash here, so I'll not give semicolon. If I give slash, then my statement will terminate, so I can write more than one statement together. Create procedure so emp details, open close, and then write here begin, and then write select star from imply semicolon, and then write here end semicolon slash. So procedure has been created here, and now whenever we need I say call so emp details, right? So it is displaying the record. Same thing I am using in my application now. I want to call so emp details here. Okay, so the query has been fired now. I can say now cs dot execute. Okay, cs dot execute. But what I am doing in that, I am selecting the records, right? So I'll not do the execute. What I will apply now? So I have to write result set because we are getting data. So we'll write execute query here, right? Okay, let us try with this execute query. This guy will return the result set. So result set rs equal to. So we'll get the whole data to rs now. Now we have to navigate and display the records, right? This is my first one. Okay, so it has been imported now. So if you remember the one example I said how to retrieve this display columns and all, let us say for loop int I equal to 1, I less than rs dot, sorry, here I want to rsmd dot get column count. Okay, and I plus plus. So I want to retrieve the column name first. So what I have to do, if you remember I have a result set meta data, right? rsmd equal to rs dot get metadata, right? Okay, so already we have understood in the previous example what is a rsmd, I mean result set metadata, the object which I have created here now. So I'm just checking less than equal to get column count, and then we'll do here system out dot print line, and here I will try to print the column name. So what I will do here, rsmd dot get rsmd dot get column name, if you remember, right? Get column name, and then I'll say I here. So first column, because I is 1, plus I'll give a tab here slash t. So I just write one comment here, getting column name, right? Column name. So column name has been displayed now, and now I'm just giving one line break. Now I have to display the data. So what I will do here, while dot rs dot next, sorry, I mean while loop we have to run because we are about to display the each and every records here. So this next will keep moving to the next row, right? For navigating all records. Okay, now I'll print here sysort system.out.println, not println, it is just yeah, println I can use here. Here I'm not supposed to use println, just print, because each and every column will display and then println will happen here. And next we can do here sys.println. Here I can do what, rs dot get int. So first is my integer, right? So I can say here 1 first column, and then plus, and then I say slash t plus rs dot get string, and then I'll pass 2 here plus slash t plus rs dot get double, and I'll pass 3 third column, right? So this line is helping me retrieving all columns, right? So let us try to run this code now. I don't think there is any error now. Yeah, so here just we are calling the procedure and we are using caller statement. Okay, and now try to run this code. So I'll just minimize this first. Click double on the top and you will get it minimized here. So now run this code here. Run as Java application. So we are getting the output here, imply ID and all. So we are just calling the procedure. If you can look here. So you understood how to create table through your application and how to call procedure. So there's a call procedure name. You should be like calling the procedure which is available to your database. So this is the one procedure which we are calling here. For calling procedure, we are having a statement, callable statement, right? So I just write here for calling stored procedure of MySQL server, right? Okay, so that's all about